guys, Carlos over here. We have a little incident that happened to me on my truck. My truck was actually parked and I had an incident. Well, not me, the trash guy on Tuesday. Well, Tuesday's trash guy delivery picks up the trash, come in and smash my vehicle. Let me show you pictures right here. Cut to the pictures. Well, vehicle's parked.
Or it is parked, I should say.
Yeah, they're taking a bumper out so they can remove their vehicle from my vehicle. So they had to get the mechanic there, one mobile mechanic, just to get the bumper out. So we called the cops, we got a case number and all that good stuff, and good things will come out of this. I'm not worried about it. Don't worry about me. I'm not stressing. I could always get more information, or get either it's gonna get fixed, painted, or I get another vehicle. Vehicle's cheap, and now shoehorn it. I got everything I need, so I'm not stressing. But good things will come out of this, guys. I'm just gonna basically, I'm keeping you up to date of what's going on, what happens to me, and all that. Well, not to me, but to the truck. And it's sad to say, there's a lot of bad drivers out there. You know what I'm saying? Especially the gentleman over there who actually got into my vehicle, crashed into my vehicle. He's got a CDL driver's license. He should know better. You know what I mean? But again, it's a project vehicle, so just keeping you up to date, and I'll keep you posted of what it's gonna, whether they're gonna paint it, whether I'm gonna get a check to get another vehicle. Who never knows? It might be another project, you know. So we'll see. We'll see the outcome. I'm not gonna do any more to the vehicle that's not needed, because I'm gonna find out how they're gonna go about this and see what I can work. So if the company, right now I'm waiting because I filed the paperwork and all that stuff, and the claim numbers and all that stuff. So we'll see. We'll see what's going on. I'll keep you up to date. And sorry to this video is a little short, but hey, just letting you know, hey, we're making it happen. Keeping you guys up to date.